We continue our coverage from the recently concluded 18th Beijing International Automotive Exhibition 2024. This is the third video on our channel where we discuss the latest and most anticipated cars of the future, presented by the Chinese automotive industry, and beyond. The main theme of the exhibition was New Era and New Cars. About 500 well-known parts manufacturers and technology companies from 13 countries and regions, including China, the USA, and Germany, participated in the event. Since its inception, the Beijing International Automotive Exhibition has consistently attracted the attention of Chinese and international media, serving as a window through which the world can see China. The auto show in the capital of the PRC helps disseminate information worldwide about the dynamic development of China's automotive industry and scientific and technological innovations in the sector. We have already reported on the Grand Dance Auto Show hosted by the Chinese company BYD, featuring their advanced electric vehicles. This time, we will take a closer look at the Yang Wang U7 model, which also participated in the show. The BYD Yang Wang U7 is a sleek electric sedan measuring 5.2 meters in length. Its powertrain exceeds 1,000 horsepower, and it has a range of up to 700 kilometers. The car can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in less than 3 seconds. This model has become the new flagship of the Chinese brand, with a price tag reaching 1 million yuan, about $140,000. The base configuration includes 21-inch wheels, and the manufacturer offers an autopilot function as an additional option. Another significant premiere at the exhibition came from Chery, unveiling the updated Tigo 9 crossover. The new Chery Tigo 9 has undergone some design changes, including new bumpers and lighting, as well as a distinctive cover with an unusual pattern replacing the traditional radiator grille. Inside, the vehicle features separate screens for the digital instrument panel and the multimedia system. In China, car is equipped with a hybrid powertrain and an 8-speed automatic transmission. Technical details for the global market have not yet been disclosed. At the Beijing Auto Show, BMW showcased a lineup of 15 car models. From compact entry-level cars to large luxury vehicles, the BMW stand covered almost all segments of the luxury car market. However, the highlight of the German brand's presentation was the BMW Vision Neue Klasse concept car, which provided a glimpse into the future direction of the brand. Oliver Zipse, chairman of the board of management of BMW, emphasized, "With Neue Klasse, we are leading BMW into the future in terms of design, technology, and philosophy. This will begin next year when we launch Neue Klasse onto the market." At the Beijing Auto Show, Geely unveiled an unusual concept car named Starship. The company described this full-size model as a cutting-edge SUV, created using artificial intelligence architecture. In terms of appearance, the Galaxy Starship adheres to the original ripples of light design. The new car is equipped with the same seamless light-emitting front panel as the Galaxy E8, and the patented laser engraving technology for light-emitting micro-perforations allows for rich lighting effects. The Galaxy Starship incorporates the best of Galaxy's technologies, such as the next-generation electric hybrid, intelligent electric drive, AI intelligent audio panoramic surround sound system, smart seats, digital master, digital chassis, and other advanced technologies from Galaxy. These innovations combine intelligent driving, big data, artificial intelligence, and cloud computing. In the world of pickups, the epitome of flamboyance and cutting-edge technology is often considered the Tesla Cybertruck. However, the Chinese have made an effort to create their own version of a massive cargo passenger vehicle with a polished metal body. The concept, simply named E-Truck, incorporates many innovations being actively developed by the Dongfeng Group. However, the most interesting new product presented by Dongfeng was the concept car EP 2024. It is designed to showcase the direction in which the sub-brand's design will evolve. The letter E stands for electric drive, while P represents the mathematical constant pi with its infinite number of decimal places, symbolizing infinite possibilities for the future. The Chinese have not provided many details about the show car's powertrain. It has been mentioned that the vehicle is all-wheel drive and can exist in both pure electric and hybrid variants. In the first case, the claimed range is 500 kilometers, with fast charging taking only 15 minutes. In the hybrid variant, the range extends to 1,000 kilometers. The hybrid crossover Deepal G318 also made an appearance at the Beijing exhibition, amid rumors that Chang'an is ready to bring the vehicle to market. Pre-sales are expected to start in May, with the full market debut scheduled for June. Deepal is a young sub-brand of Chang'an that was established only in 2022. The new Deepal G318 is currently presented only as a series hybrid with a 1.5-liter engine that functions as a generator. The anticipated price range for the new model is between 250,000 and 300,000 yuans. The interior of the Deepal G318 is designed to accommodate 5 passengers. Its trunk volume is 818 liters, which can be increased to 1,747 liters, with the rear seats folded down. Full range specifications for all configurations have not yet been disclosed. However, the range for the all-wheel drive version is known. In electric vehicle mode, it can travel up to 190 kilometers. The maximum combined range for the dual-motor configuration will exceed 1,000 kilometers. It is reported that charging the battery from 30 to 80% will take 15 minutes. Toyota unveiled the latest off-road vehicle, the Land Cruiser Prado. The base 5-seater Land Cruiser Prado 250 Travel BX is priced at $63,000 in China. For comparison, the base Land Cruiser 250 in Japan costs $33,000, and in the USA it is $57,000. The Chinese Land Cruiser Prado 250 comes with standard full-time 4-wheel drive, with a torsion center differential, and a low-range gear in the transmission, but only the top versions have a rear-locking differential. The SUV, built on the TNGA-F platform, features only one powertrain option, which is hybrid. It is based on the 2.4-liter turbocharged engine, supplemented with an electric motor and an 8-speed automatic transmission. The system's power output is 330 horsepower. Chinese IT giant Huawei continues its large-scale expansion into the automotive market. During the Beijing Auto Show, the new brand Stellato and its first model, a large and expensive sedan S9, were presented. There is currently no official technical information available about the Stellato S9. However, back in March, this model surfaced in the electronic database of the Chinese Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, so some details are already known. According to the dossier from the Chinese Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, the Stellato S9 is announced in 2 purely electric versions. The base Stellato S9 will feature a single electric motor on the rear axle, with a power output of 309 horsepower. The dual-motor all-wheel drive version will have a total output of 524 horsepower. Huawei manufactures the electric motors itself, while CATL will supply the batteries. However, their capacity has not yet been disclosed. The weight of the Stellato S9 ranges from 2,200 to 2,300 kilograms depending on the equipment. Buick is a well-known American automaker, but in recent years, its main market has been China. Last year, over 517,000 cars were sold there compared to just 167,000 in the United States. This explains why the debut of 2 concept cars, Electra L and Electra LT, took place in China. Electra L is one of the presented concepts. It is a fastback sedan measuring 5 meters in length with a wheelbase of 3 meters. It is possible that the production version will be presented no later than at the Shanghai Auto Show next year. The car is already equipped with side-view cameras, frameless doors, and features a minimalist interior. The eConnect intelligent system, based on artificial intelligence, supports connection to 7 screens. Additionally, there is a voice assistant and an aromatizer sprayer based on artificial intelligence. At the exhibition, the first electric car of the new brand Honda Lynxi was also showcased once again. The new Lynxi LEV is equipped with LFP batteries with a power of 215 horsepower and is similar in size to the Honda Civic. The novelty is designed to appeal to a young audience. Although details about the size of the battery and its range remain undisclosed, it has been confirmed that the car will be equipped with a single electric motor. It is known that the model will be equipped with radar, so the L model will receive unique technologies, including advanced driver assistance features. The premium brand Hongqi unveiled a new version of the EH7 sedan in Beijing, which debuted about a month ago. This is a 4-seater convertible with all-wheel drive, which will eventually become a production model. In terms of dimensions, the convertible is identical to the sedan, but unlike the sedan, the convertible is equipped with 2 separate seats in the second row. The sales start date and the cost of the open electric car have not yet been announced. Prices for the sedan start at 229,000 yuan. The world premiere of the Genesis G80 EV Magma concept took place at Auto China 2024. The debut of the Genesis Magma in the Chinese market marked a new level of automotive technology. This model is presented in Acme blue color, available only in China. The G80 EV Magma concept is the second electric car in the Magma program, which emphasizes the sporty character of the electric G80 and perfectly combines power, performance, and style. The front radiator grille has received a new design, making it look more striking. With wider fenders and a new rear bumper, the car appears more imposing on the road. The interior of the G80 EV Magma concept is crafted using Alcantara, stitched leather, and carbon fiber inserts with a blue pattern. Write in the comments which of the cars shown in this video did you like the most. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Karo Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. See you next time.